The C1201 error code indicates a communication failure between the engine control module ACM and the brake control module, a serious issue that can cause brake failure. Common symptoms: 1. Brake warning light on the dashboard. 2. Poor brake performance, longer stopping distance, or unresponsive brakes. Main causes: 1. Faulty ABS actuator control module. 2. Damaged or loose electrical connections between ECM and BCM. Solutions: 1. Inspect and repair wiring. 2. Turn off the engine, disconnect the battery. 3. Check for corrosion, loose, or damaged wires between ECM and BCM. 4. Repair or replace as needed, reconnect battery, and test. 5. Replace the ABS actuator control module. 6. With the battery disconnected, remove the old module and install a new one. 7. Reconnect all wiring, start the engine, and confirm if the code clears.